The background why we are testing this is that the power transformer is generally a very reliable product which is safe. The products are market leading when it comes to safety and reliability. Although, with that said, it's very unlikely, but it can happen that the power transformer fails during operation. That means that the transformer will be subjected to an internal arcing, which produces a lot of heated gas that can rupture the tank. When that happens, catastrophic failures can occur, like fires or personal damages.
During a fault inside the turret, the arc is vaporizing the oil, creating enormous pressure inside the turret and the tank. The normal turret can, in worst cases, shoot off from the transformer, which is enormously dangerous. This new turret that we have developed is designed as a pressure vessel, which can handle these dynamic pressures. And the pressure is transferred into the tank. The TXpand, the concept that we have developed several years ago and also prototype tested in Canada, is a mature technology which has been used in 160 transformer units so far. The TXpand tank is designed in such a way that it can expand without breaking anywhere, and by that absorb the energy from the arc through deformations.
As a bushing supplier, we are aware that the bushings are considered a weak point in the transformer design. And the introduction of a dry bushing a couple of years ago was a big step forward, considering the safety and also the environmental aspects of the transformer design. Both the bushing and the transformer tank managed to contain the overpressure during this fault. In this case, the bushing is no longer the weak point.
The test result was exactly as we wanted them to be. We released 20 megajoule of energy during the same amount of time as a real arcing event. The new reinforced turret survived. The main objective is to keep the fault inside the tank, and by that keeping the oil inside the tank and mitigate the risk of exposure and fire spreading to other units, and also avoid personal injuries. A fault like this is unfortunately destructive, and the transformer cannot be in service after a fault like this.
So it's very fantastic today to be able to test what we have been simulating for a couple of months back now, to really verify the results and see that we can deliver a safe product for our customer.